สวัสดีค่ะ Thank to the orphan for giving cake this to Nuan and her new family. Nuan came to the park together with Dog Ngun at the year 2006, 15th of January 2006. And now she got the new family because Nuan by her behavior, she loved the baby. Whenever we got the baby, she fall in love with that one. So most of the baby who born in the park, Nuan like to adopt to be nanny. Even this baby, her name is Wan Mai, which is came from the trekking camp together with her mom. So Wan Mai, Mae Mai is the mom of Wan Mai. Two of them came from trekking camp, and Wan Mai, she was born on the 2nd of May. So when they arrived here, it's like 6 months ago. So she's about 6 months old. One thing that Mae Mai came and changed the life of Nuan, that bring her more happier. Because when she was together with Nuan that time, she had a big problem with the mom of Fa Mai, Bua Thong. When Dog Mai arrived at the park, after that 3 years later, she got the first baby. His name is Chang Yim. Now Chang Yim is 11 years old. The second is Dog Mai. She's 8 years old. And then Dog Rak, 5 years old. Anyway, thanks to Rob and Marian as well, who continue for doing this, helping to support us every year. They came to visit us, but not this year because of the COVID. Thank you very much.